This Phantom wallet shows $4.1 million. Every single bit came from launching meme coins. No hype, no lucky bets, just a system that prints. Stick around, I'll show you how it's done. Now, I used to buy into meme coins every single day, chasing pumps and praying for a 100x meme coin to potentially change my entire life. But every single time, I got dumped on and drained. Then I realized the real winners do not buy coins, they launch them. Launching means you control the supply, the timing, and the entire narrative. You've got nothing to lose as a creator. All you're doing is simply creating the coin and waiting it for it to pump. But if you keep trading coins, you will lose, that's a fact. And with Bitcoin breaking all-time highs and Solana at $210 right now, this is the best time to start launching, so make sure to keep watching. But obviously this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor and this isn't advice for investments. Don't copy my trades, focus on learning the strategy. Cap! Now Pump.Fun is overcrowded. Hundreds of coins go live every single minute and yours gets buried instantly. Worse, you don't even own your own liquidity, so you have no control over your own project. That's exactly why I despise Pump.Fun and I went to create tokens.io. On this platform it's different. Your coin launches directly to Raydium, gets instantly graduated and migrated, and buyers can trade it right away. You own the fucking liquidity, the supply, and control from day one. I would highly recommend to launch coins on create tokens.io if you actually want to make a shit ton of bread. Now when you are ready to launch a meme coin on create tokens.io, you've got two options. Option one, build from scratch. So pick a viral narrative. Go on Twitter or TikTok or Instagram and choose a narrative, okay? It could be literally anything. Then come back to the site, name your token, add a symbol, and upload a 128 by 128 logo, and then confirm it, simple, fast, and live in seconds. But option 2 is my favorite one and the most profitable. The copy trending coins. These are coins already trending on Pump.Fun with hype and traffic baked in. One click and you launch them straight onto Raydium. And since the momentum's already in these coins, you get instant buyers and bigger profit potential right from the start. I would highly recommend to copy coins that already have hype and a good narrative to make some bread. But anyways, let's stop over explaining. Time to launch a coin right now and put it live and potentially make some money. So first of all, connect your wallet, just click the select wallet, boom, Phantom, then refresh list, and we're gonna look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna copy the pick at Chu because it's like a pun, right? So there's a last buy 4 seconds ago. I know $43,000 market cap. I'm gonna create coin. Ignore the warning from Phantom and proceed. Confirm. Click the checkbox, then confirm. And then the coin will be copied. You just have to be patient for a couple of seconds. Come on, come on. Boom. And now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is simple. Adding liquidity so your token is instantly tradable on Raydium. That's what makes the market move. So there's two simple steps. First, token A. Click 90%, that's gonna drop all the coins into the liquidity pool. For the amount token B, this is your own first buy. You are basically the first investor in your own coin. The minimum is 0.3 SOL as the first buy, and when you remove the liquidity later, that SOL comes right back inside your wallet, so you have nothing to lose. Make sure you have enough in your wallet. I'm gonna put 0.35 Solana, then click on create pool. Wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up, yes sir, then click on confirm. When that's done, simply click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the Pikachu coin is on live, our P&L is right here, and if you click on refresh once again, now we're up $200 on the coin because people are now buying our coin on the Raydium DEX. Anyways, click on view on Photon to see the chart. Let me, what the hell, yeah, it has to load. Let me go on full screen, come on. Yo, we're getting buys already. Come on, bro. Bro, it's rage baiting me. Come on now. Boom. Now let me go in full screen. All we have to do from now on is watch a chart, watch it pump, just give it a bit of time for it to marinate. It is going to go up. As you guys can see, it went up. I wasn't lying. Ooh, $1,700 in market cap. This is really good for a good start. Come on, pump. $21 buy. Come on. Now, as a dev, you have to be patient, okay? It's all about patience. Give it a couple minutes for it to marinate, and when your profits are good, then you can, cash out money. I'm gonna give this coin a couple minutes because it is currently pumping. I'm gonna be right back, and when I will be back, we are gonna make some money, so be right back. Okay guys, I am back. Looks like we're sitting around 2.2k in market cap, 1.3k in liquidity. I think it's gonna go back up, but anyways, to make some money and remove some liquidity, come back to the createtokens.io website. After that, click on refresh. And boom, we are up $1,600 with a $2,700 market cap. It is coming back up. I told you guys. Anyways, click on the minus button, do 100%, click remove the red button, whatever the fuck, right? And now as you guys can see, I'm gonna receive a Solana. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you launch a Memecoin. Launch it, right? Then dump it and print generational wealth. And if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, boom, $1,700 straight inside my wallet.